So the matrix for rotation about the origin with an angle theta would be, or is basically, cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta, right? Now if the initial point's coordinate was x comma y, then it can be denoted in the matrix form as xy, and the final, after the rotation, if the final coordinate is x prime and y prime, then it would be denoted as matrix of x prime and y prime, right? So we can write it as x prime y prime equals to x y multiplied by cos theta minus sin theta